Plygain toffee, the toffee that was traditionally made during the evening before the Plygain service, and something that kept the whole family busy. Now, it's very simple to make and delicious to eat. What you need is a pound of sticky black treacle, 8 ounces of soft brown sugar, a knob of butter, and just a teaspoon of vinegar. Now, heat that very gently so that all the sugar dissolves first, and then bring it up to a rousing boil. And it is very hot and dangerous, so do keep the children away from this stage. Now, that is the molten toffee that's been bubbling here hard for about 20 minutes, so I reckon I'm going to test it and see if it's done. You need a little bowl of cold water, and just take a teaspoon of the toffee, drop it in, or I'll get a bit more than that, and the test is that when the toffee goes hard immediately, oh, it is crisp and hard, then it's ready. So off with the heat, and let me take this toffee immediately over and pour it out on a buttered slab. Right then, now this is pretty dangerous because this toffee is really hot, so don't lay any little fingers near it yet. But if you have got, like me, one of these marble slabs, it will help the toffee cool down quickly. But what you do need is you need to butter your hands, because then you can touch the toffee and it won't stick to your hand, so it won't burn you. So as soon as you can, just start peeling the toffee back from the edges and fold it over, and I'm actually going to flip the whole of that toffee over just so to cool it on the other side. Now, the aim of all this and the fun is when you pull the toffee out into long strands, and it makes it just slightly less hard, which is a good idea, and it also gives it a lovely golden colour, and it makes it look so pretty. And if there's any left, it might do for Christmas presents. Right, I'm spreading this round to collect as much cool as I can from the marble. It's lovely to think of the whole family having a go at this. And I reckon it's just about ready to start pulling now. Oh, it's still a little bit hot, but you can just pull it out and begin to get that lovely golden colour. It is fun, mind. Oh, just make sure my children don't get their hands on this just too soon. But of course, once you give them the okay, there's no stopping them. Now then, just give that a long stringy look. Oh, it's gasping toffee. Now, once it is in some kind of lengths, what you want to do is either get a sharp knife and chop it, or just twist it so that you get some pretty patterns out of it. And then you can just cut it. And you can either leave it as it is or wrap it prettily in something like some coloured paper for Christmas presents, if there's any left.